In today's video, I'll teach you how to turn your screen sideways on Roblox mobile. First of all, what you have to do is launch open Roblox application. You can see over here I have opened it. Now in Roblox, you'll be able to find various games. If you select the game where screen orientation is locked, you'll not be able to turn your screen sideways. But in most of the games, screen orientation will not be locked and you'll be able to turn it sideways. So if you want to do it, first of all, what you have to do is make sure to select the game in which screen orientation is not locked. So in order to turn your screen sideways, what you have to do is simply swipe down from the top of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Over here, what you have to do is find the option for auto rotate and tap on it. If you do not find the option over here, you'll be able to find the edit icon. Once you tap on it, you'll be able to find the option for auto rotate. So simply tap on this option, auto rotate. Now once you do that, in the Roblox, what you have to do is simply turn the screen sideways. Now once you do that, you can see over here your screen will turn sideways on Roblox mobile automatically. So that is how you turn your screen sideways on Roblox mobile. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.